In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a SharePoint shortcut from your OneDrive effortlessly. We'll take you through the web-based process step by step, ensuring that you can follow along with ease and confidence, even if you're not a tech expert. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to OneDrive. Make sure you're accessing OneDrive associated with either your work or school account, depending on where you've added the shortcut. Once you're on the OneDrive sign-in page, enter your credentials to log in. It's important to remember that using the correct account is crucial because shortcuts are specifically tied to the OneDrive account where they were initially added. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to your OneDrive account homepage. Look for the section labeled My Files, which is typically located along the left-hand side of the screen. Click on this section to display all of your stored files and folders neatly organized for easy access. Now, let's locate the shortcut you want to remove. Shortcuts in OneDrive are identifiable by a distinct little link or chain icon next to their folder name. Take your time scrolling through your files to spot the correct folder with this icon. This step is essential because the icon indicates that this is a shortcut directing you to a folder in SharePoint rather than a regular folder or file stored directly in your OneDrive. Once you've found the shortcut, select it by clicking directly on the folder. You should notice the toolbar above your Files area update with various options. Among these options, there is one that says Remove Shortcut. Clicking this will initiate the process of detaching this shortcut from your OneDrive account. It's crucial to highlight here that by doing this, you are merely removing the shortcut link. The actual folder and its contents remain safe and untouched in their original location within SharePoint. This approach ensures that you're only cleaning up your OneDrive view without risking any data loss. Think of it as tidying up your workspace to keep things more streamlined and less cluttered. Taking these steps can help you manage your OneDrive more effectively, making it easier to navigate and reducing unnecessary links that you don't regularly use. Flexibility in organizing your files is one of the perks of using OneDrive and SharePoint in tandem. If after removing the shortcut, you wish to access the SharePoint folder again, you can easily do so directly through SharePoint without adding the shortcut back to OneDrive. There's no need to worry about losing access permanently. And there you have it, an easy, straightforward way to clean up your OneDrive by removing SharePoint shortcuts you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.